very good morning to one and all. My name is Tejas and I welcome you all for this chapter number 6, Why Self-Development is Important. Do you know that even a caterpillar can fly once it transforms itself completely? Do you know what are you capable of? Do you know what is your potential after transformation? Because unless you start this process, you are always going to underestimate yourself with what best you can do with your life. So start the process today. There are many people in life where we see they overcome so many issues in their life. It could be any issue with financial loss, relationship issues, relationship failures, business failures, stress, depression, education issues, health issues, illness issues, career issues. But still, these people overcome their life because they have learned the ability to deal with it very, very positively. If you are one of these people, then a thumbs up to you guys. But if not, then start the process today by learning to think positive, have good positive attitude, have good social etiquettes, have good moral values, have develop a good personality within. Okay, learn to manage your emotions, handle your emotions very well. In short, you need to learn to relax and recharge yourselves and your thoughts. You can also read books, meet new different people. Also, you can build new skills, develop new skills, and definitely you can learn from your failures as well. Now, why self-development becomes important? Because this is not taught in school curriculum, right? And maybe your parents may not be able to give you a complete package of it. And frankly, your society doesn't care if you have it or not. So, if you are prepared, then whatever life's ups and downs you may have, you are going to deal with it very well. And in this developing years, you need to have this because after certain period of age, we get adapted to what we have learned and we feel that is right. So in the developing years, this is very important for especially children to understand and learn these things because the way of thinking changes once we adapt to a particular situation and later on changing it becomes very difficult. We all know now how COVID has affected our health, right? Mental health. And in spite of it, I'm talking about the adults, in spite of being adult, we wonder that how bad the quality of life some people are facing, how it has totally changed and transformed everyone in a negative way as well, or in a way that can make you afraid for the future. Think about your future in a very, very bad way. Now, imagine what students are going through. Imagine what your child is going through. Have you ever sat with them and spoken about it in the last year, what has been through their minds? If not, do it. Okay, because these chapters, I just now spoke to you about, these are all the chapters that we actually cover in our self-development workshops. Okay, and this, if anything of this is lacking in your child, then it is a matter of concern because learning this is going to help them throughout their life. So just understand and talk to them because we are going to arrange such workshops in coming months. Feel free to enroll and join here because we at Sanskruti EduCare nurture values for life. Okay. Now, lastly, have a look at the chapters, what we have done from chapter 1 to chapter 6. These are all a kind of videos wherein you can see a complete life cycle is covered. Like why thoughts impact your life, importance of thoughts, how persistent you have to be persistent, how it is going to affect the parenting after 2020, major topic. Why choosing the right career is important, very, very important for everybody. The mindset during pregnancy, the start of a life, how it has to be. And finally this, why self-development is important. Even if you are stuck, if you are in problem, anything, self-development can help you overcome your life, completely transform your life into the way you want. And that's the reason we see so many people changing their lives completely. There was something different and they are something different now. Why? It is all the process of self-development. Now, These videos we make just for you to understand, because all these topics are not generally discussed anywhere, you see. Now, if you are interested in this topic also, you know that we have an interactive free seminar coming every second Sunday of the month. 14 March is going to be the date. Sanskruti EduCare's office is the location. Timing is 5 p.m. I would like to see you come there and learn much about self-development, because this practice is really going to help the people who are in need, people who are in a bad phase, in a bad mindset, and they need some repair or readjustments. Relax and recharge yourselves and your thoughts. Thank you.